And a very good morning. Welcome to the audiocast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide, Anindya Bannerjee. US Fed meeting was absolutely on the expected lines. 25 bips hike, hint of a balance sheet reduction from May, June onwards, or 6 hikes over the next 6 meetings, which means 25 bips in every meeting. These were completely expected and priced in. It is not a dovish policy, but because it was so well discussed and priced in, इसके लिए dollar index has weakened. Dollar rupee offshore में spot is trading below 76 levels, which means futures may open around 76.10. The bias is downward, but 76 is going to be a major support on the futures, क्योंकि 76 levels में not just there is a technical support, but most importantly 76 strike put options में बहुत ही large open interest है. So that is going to act as a support. Once that breaks, the next major support comes near 75.40. Resistance is now going to be 76.35.40 on the futures. So now how to trade? Because bias is slightly down, it is better to take positions in the direction of the bias, which means to take strategies which will benefit from the fall in the dollar rupee. One is you can short futures, but stop loss होना चाहिए 76.40 के ऊपर on a closing basis. अगर उसके ऊपर जाके close हो रहा है, then exit your shorts. Second, you can sell out of money call options, क्योंकि VIX अभी भी rich है and VIX is going to fall because the event risk has passed and oil prices are lower. VIX has a very high positive correlation with oil prices. Lower oil prices, lower VIX. Higher oil prices, higher VIX. Or So selling a call option actually makes sense because VIX जितना decline करेगा, the out of money calls will erode faster. तीसरा trade ये हो सकता है कि if you don't want to take the risk of unlimited risk which comes with selling futures or selling calls, but in anyways in these two strategies you will have a stop. But if you still don't want to take that kind of a risk, you can do put spread, but you have to keep in mind क्योंकि VIX में erosion हो सकता है, तो the kind of returns which you will make on a put spread may be lower because the premiums are quite rich. Again 76.40 के नीचे जब तक futures है, technically the bias is downward. उसके ऊपर जाके अगर futures close हो रहा है, then exit your shorts because then it will clearly indicate that probably we will be slipping into a range. So 76.40 on the futures is an important level to watch. International currencies में GBP/INR we are expecting a slight recovery because आज Bank of England का policy meeting है and they are expected to hike interest rates and sound slightly hawkish. But considering कि जिस हिसाब से GBP/INR has fallen, it has priced in more or less the negatives around UK because of the slowdown in the economic growth, higher inflation, Bank of England sounding less hawkish. All those things जो negatives है pound के लिए वो करीब discount हो चुका है. So GBP/INR can actually drift higher post Bank of England policy meeting, which is in the evening. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Bannerjee signing off. A fantastic day ahead.